Ladies and gentlemen, this is Keith from iRepair Autos. Today I'm going to be doing an oil change on an AMG CLA 45. Awesome car, turbocharged, powerful, responsive. So stay with me and let's get this done. Hey, but before we get started, I know you've been meaning to subscribe, and by doing so and sharing and thumbsing up the video, you push it up in the search engine's results for YouTube, which makes it easier to find for other Mercedes users, and they can benefit from it too. So do that now. Thanks. So I got the hood opened up, and the numero uno thing, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take this plastic cover off, and it comes off really easily. Take off your AMG cover, handcrafted by the man himself, Stefan Roppler, Mercedes AMG Germany. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to open this oil cover, put that in a safe place. We're also going to take off the oil filter cover, but not to start because we don't want that leaking out yet. This is your oil dipstick. Next, I'm going to be using this evacuator. It's used to take oil out of hard to reach places. No need to crack that bolt at the bottom of the oil pan. This is the way Mercedes does it. This is the way I do it. So this is the way we're going to do it for this car as well. Taking the hose of the evacuator, I'm going to feed it down into the dipstick. And I'm going to evacuate out all that oil. So let's go. And you immediately start to see the oil going into the pan. And this will take anywhere, depending on your evacuator, 10 to 15 to 20 minutes, sometimes sooner. So I'll be right back after that. Once all the oil is drained out, we then, taking a rag, remove the evacuator out of the way. Then, taking a 1/16 socket with an extender, we go in here and we put it right here on the oil filter cover, and we're going to crack that open. Before we do that fully, we're going to put the rag down here to prevent any oil from spilling. Take out the old oil filter. The old oil filter. We're going to replace this rubber seal with the new rubber seal that came with the new oil filter. Put the new oil filter on and replace it. Putting it back on. We screw it on by hand as far as we can go. By hand. Get our rag out of there. So that's the new oil filter cover and gasket, rubber bushing gasket. Next we're going to put our dipstick back in. Up to this point we have not added the oil. So we're going to put our oil filler right there. Funnel. Next we're going to put in the recommended Mobil 1 oil. Synthetic, of course. Has to be synthetic. We're going to put that in, and then we're going to top off after checking that the level is correct with the dipstick. Once that's complete, then we're going to put our cover back on so that it faces front, just like that. Put our cover back on, making sure the little notches line up. Start the engine next, and then we're going to check the level. Also going to make sure that there are no leaks coming from the oil filter cover. And that's it. That's how you do an oil change on your AMG car. Very easy, very simple, very fast to do. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier. Thanks and peace out.